Alright, I'm going to do this video here for you guys that got that loose hay, they ain't got a baler, can't afford a baler. Like me, I used to have a custom hay baling outfit, used to have balers, rakes and everything, and now I don't, just got a few sheep, some land here, so I want to show you guys how to make a little baler. What this is I basically copied a pine straw baler. You guys can look up pine straw balers here on the internet. If I can find the video, I'll try to put it on here with this video, but this is a really crappy model I made. I'm not a very good craftsman, but I wanted something to work. I needed to bale some hay today, so here it is. I just used some signs, some metal, little aluminum signs there. There's the inside of it. I gotta show you how it works. Got a plunger made on top. Here's some bales I got out of it. I got this one. Here's the best one I got. You can see it. Real light, but it's better stacking this in the loft than it is putting loose hay in there. So I'm gonna try to get this put up here, and I'll get it set up and I'll show you how it works. To get started, I got this old sisal twine here. This is what you use in a hay baler. I like the sisal because it's biodegradable. That old orange plastic crap there, you drop it in the ground. If you plow your field up, you still got that stuff. It gets caught in your plows and stuff. But anyway, feed your twine. I got them fed to the door here. I got some things in there I'll show you. You tie a loop in the end of your twine. I got 2 screws on here. I held on there with screws. And what I did is I took 2 screws here. I put them real close together, and this twine just kind of sits in there. And there's back air, back air, back air. That's going to hold your twine in place while you're feeding your hay down in here. Door shut. There's, like I say, you see my twine. I got this strap on here because all I got these stupid little things here, and this door is flexible, so I need to put some wood across there, but for now I'm not going to do that. But I just got that strap tight, try to hold the middle from bowing out. But I'm ready to feed my hay down in there. So see if I can show you here. Pack it down with your arm a little bit. Yeah, I got too much, so I'm going to have to use the plunger. Well, you can see how this is working. You can see it packing in there now. Get out of the way. We're caught. And my door's bowing there, so I can't put too much in mine. But actually, I could probably put a little more in there and make that bale a little tighter. Might be a tad too much. We'll try her. Alright, I got it tamped down a little bit. Now I want to take my twine here, my loops that I had. These loops here hooked on the screw. Take them loose, pull a little bit on them, bring them up here so I can pull them through the hole. Got this twine here, pull it up just a little bit past the door. I'm going to cut her off. Now, I'm just going to feed that back in there. Well, I got to run underneath my strap here, I guess. If you ain't got a strap, you won't have to do that. If you're a better craftsman than me, you won't have to. Get through the loop there. Pack her down one more time. Hold her there if you can, and tie your bale off. Let's take your strap off, I think. It's only happening because I'm making the video. Can't get it off. Anyway, get it out of the way there. Take me a minute, because I'm on video, it takes forever. Bear with me. Alright. Pull the plunger out. Maybe. Open your door. Take the hillbilly strap off here. If you can. Open your door up. And you got your bale. Ain't the prettiest bale. It won't win the state fair, the county fair. But by God, it's a bale. Well, there you go. That's my hillbilly bale there. Of course, I got some loose crap here I'll just cut off. But anyway, there you go. Hope it wasn't too boring, but I'll show you this plunger here. What I got set up. It's just, you can find plans for these pine straw balers, all they are. I just made this handle here. Anyway, you can find plans there. I'll try to put that pine straw video on here for you so you can see it. But anyway, there you go. Anybody's interested, homesteaders or whatever. So thanks for watching.